Good morning, everyone. I'm Ms. Dipali Vikram Gadhire. I'm doing my research work under the guidance of Dr. Yashji Kadke at Srimati Kasturbhai Walchand College, Sangli. I'm very thankful to the organizers for giving me this opportunity to represent my research work. So, the title of my research work is The Identification and Isolation of Grapevine Fungal Pathogens with the Help of Foldscope. Grape is a species of genus Vitis belong to the family Vitaceae. Grape has a strong antioxidant activity, inhibiting cancer cell proliferation and suppressing platelet aggregation, and it also lowers down the cholesterol. As we know, Sangli is one of the largest grape producing region of Maharashtra. Grape production and marketing are most important activities in Sangli, but the grape production is high because of different pathogens attacks on grapevine. Hence, for managing the diseases, farmers uses many fungicides and pesticides, due to which production cost increases and quality of grapes decreases in the market. For our study, we have selected four main fungal diseases of the grapevine, which are rhizopus rot, downy mildew, powdery mildew, and leaf rust. Foldscope is the ultra-affordable paper microscope which was developed by Dr. Monu Prakash. It is a very simple and efficient diagnostic tool. For our study, the collection of samples were carried out on the basis of signs and symptoms from different locations of Sangli district. For our study, we have selected first disease is the rhizopus rot. The rhizopus soft rot caused by Rhizopus stolonifer occurred sporadically in grape cards. Rhizopus rot infection usually starts at the base of mature berries as a soft, very watery rot that particularly or completely decays infected berries. The skin of berry turned light gray. The infected fruit were rapidly water soaked, softened, and eventually rotted, and the symptoms were initiated from wounds and cracks occurred at harvest time. For the isolation of rhizopus rot, potato dextrose media was used, and for the pure culture, SDA media is used, and the identification of isolates was carried out with the help of cotton blue in lactophenol stems by James and Nathalie method. First image shows the symptoms uh, on the berries of grapes. A second image shows the isolation of grape. Second image shows the growth of Rhizopus stolonifer on potato dextrose agar media. Third image shows the Rhizopus stolonifer structure under the Foldscope. For our study, second disease is the downy mildew. It is a major disease of grapes throughout the world. The fungus causes direct loss by rotting inflorescence, berries, clusters, and shoots. The disease mainly occurred in humid conditions. It is a highly destructive disease of grapevines in all grape producing areas where there is spring and summer rainfall at temperature about 10 degrees Celsius. Indirect losses can result from premature defoliation. It is a serious problem because it predisposes the vine to winter injury. It may take a vineyard several years to fully recover after several severe winter injury. For the isolation of Plasmopara viticulum, a Plasmopara viticola isolate was collected from an infected grapevine leaves. Mm, Single sporangial spores transfer from infected leaves, then the isolate was propagated weakly on detached leaves of Vitis vinifera in petri dishes on wet filter paper and incubated in a controlled environment under a photo period of 16-hour light and 8 hours of darkness and 80% relative humidity. These are the symptoms which are uh, infection. These are the symptoms which are shown on the leaves of the grapevine. Third image shows the Plasmopara viticola structure under the compound microscope, and fourth image shows the Plasmopara viticola image under the Foldscope. The third disease is the powdery mildew. Powdery mildew is an endemic disease. This disease is spread by airborne conidia. This disease causes extensive damage. Uncontrolled, the disease can be devastating on susceptible varieties under the proper environment condition. Powdery mildew can result in reduced vine growth, yield, fruit quality, and winter hardiness. Varieties of Vitis vinifera and its hybrids generally are much more susceptible for the powdery mildew. Powdery mildew not only reduces the yield and lower the fruit quality, but wine prepared from infected fruits often develops off flavor. The the causal organism of powdery mildew is the Concinnula nicator. For the isolation of Concinnula nicator, a single spored isolate of Concinnula nicator were obtained from Sangli district. A small pipette is used to transfer a single conidial chain to a susceptible leaf. Isolation and maintenance of the isolate were done using surface sterilized and detached leaves maintained in 1% water agar petri dish. For surface sterilization, leaves were submerged into calcium hypochlorite at 0.88 gram per liter for 2 minutes with agitation and then washed 3 times in sterile distilled water for at least 1 minute each. A single conidial chain of isolate 10 to 18 was transferred. After 14 days, a single conidial chain from resulting quality was transferred to another sterile detached leaf. From inoculums increases, leaves with sporulating colonies were shaken in 40 ml of distilled water with 0.001% to infinity to form a spore suspension. From that, 0.5 ml of the suspension was applied to susceptible detached leaves. These are the symptoms which are observed on the field, on the leaf and the maturing berries. The third image shows the ascospores of Concinnula nicator under the fold scope. Fourth disease of the grapevine is the leaf rust. Rust have always been considered important threats to crops due to the damage they incite in the host plant. Causal agents of rust are biotrophic pathogens which have highly developed infection structures such as Hostoria and limited lytic enzyme. The symptoms are in the form of numerous orange-colored pustules on the lower surface of the leaves. In case of severe infection, such pustules cover the entire leaf surface, leading to severe defoliation. The pathogen reproduces and survives in spots on leaves or stem and in fallen plant host debris. The causal organism of leaf rust is the Phycospora uvetis. The fungus is host-specific, being restricted to genus Vitis. First image shows the symptoms on leaf surface. Second image shows the structure of Phycospora uvetis under the fold scope. And third image shows the iridineospores of Phycospora uvetis under the fold scope. From the above study, we have from the above study, we have prepared a table. First name of the disease, name of the pathogen, mycelium color and septate or aseptate structure. For grape growers, it is very important to identify any disease at an early stage of disease development to avoid spread of the disease. For that, technique which work on the field and take minimum time to identify pathogens are becoming more important. For this purpose, foldscope is a very useful and cost-effective microscope. It is very useful to handle and observe any material on the field. Farmers easily handle this foldscope for their use. So our aim is to provide guidelines to the farmers to identify any particular disease at its perfect disease development stage. Thank you.